See?
CrossFit dog.
CrossFit dog.
Bring her in here. Bring that CrossFit doggy in here. Let me see her hats. Kelsey, you're on the camera.
Where's that CrossFit hat? Where's that foot? Oopsie.
What kind of dog is Kelsey?
CrossFit dog.
Show her some love.
Chelsea.
Is she your CrossFit doggy?
Kelsey, lay down, girl. Sit, Kelsey. Sit. Lay down, Kelsey. Lay down. Mama, I have to get her to lay down.
Kelsey,
Sit.
sit.
Lay down.
Sit down.
Lay
Oh,
down.
good doggy.
Good job.
Good doggy. CrossFit girl.
Ooh.
Whoa. Let's see. There's that CrossFit hat, Hadley, I found it. Found it.
Kelsey, sit. Sit and be still. Sit and be still. Tell her to lay. Be still and still.
Sit down, Kelsey. Sit down.
Sit. Good girl.
Good girl.
Still.
Tell her what kind of puppy dog she is.
You're a CrossFit dog. CrossFit dog hat. You're a CrossFit dog. Good. Yeah.
What
Kelsey,
makes her a
good.
CrossFit dog? Can she do burpees?
No.
Can she do lunges?
Yes.
What else does she do that makes her a CrossFit dog? Is she strong and fast? Are you a CrossFit kid? Huh? Hadley, what CrossFit moves do you know? Can you do the rings? Oh, are you lunging?
Daddy.
Do you remember how to squat? I don't know if you still remember how to squat.
Yes.
Let me see, you're squatting. 5 more. 3. Awesome. Do you remember how to do a push-up? You do the plank.
First.
That's downward dog.
Mom, how do you do
Do you remember how to do a burpee?
plank?
A burpee? Show Mama a burpee.
How is plank?
Plank is just where your hands are on the ground straight and your feet are straight behind you. Remember?
Like this?
Put your feet straight out. Daddy, show how. Yep. And then you lift your body. Put your hands. Okay, sorry about that. That's Cobra. Good. Can you do a burpee? Can you jump up from there? And clap. Jump and clap on your feet.
You mean my hands?
On your feet, soldier. Stand up on your feet.
No, I'm not doing a burpee. You said I do a push-up.
Oh, a push-up. Okay. So lay back down, flat. There you go. Now put your toes on the ground. Put your toes on the ground. There. And then you use your hands like this underneath you and press them up so that you'll lift your tummy and your booty and your knees and everything off the ground. Hang on.